Hi everyone! Want to stay private on WhatsApp? Here's how to hide the online status and read receipts in under minutes. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp account and tap on the three-dot menu on Android or settings on iPhone. Then here, go to the privacy. Then, for the last seen and online status, tap on the last seen and online. Set who can see my last seen to nobody. Then, for who can see when I'm online, choose same as last seen. This hides your activity from everyone. Then, to turn off the read receipts, go back to the privacy menu and scroll to the read receipts. Switch it off, and this means that you won't send or receive those blue ticks. And remember, turning off the read receipts also disable them for you. Group chats are unaffected. And that's it. You're now invisible on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.